All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're looking at content brought to you by LASFIT. Now, if you have a car that you're going to need weather liners in it for your floor mats or your trunk or whatever you got, LASFIT is an option for you. Most OEMs do sell weather liners. They're just branded with the company's logo. But in some situations, you can find a nice set for a lower price. And companies like LASFIT are the ones that come in and typically have a lower price than your OEM. So, if you've never been to the site, it's going to show up here for you. These vehicles won't be here. This is a couple of my vehicles. You can see I have a 2025 Mercedes Benz E-Class, and that is where we're going to shop from today. So once you put your vehicle in here and you visit the site a couple times, it should keep it pre-filled. But if it doesn't, you just go to the drop-down list, select your vehicle, and you're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and browse my vehicle, this current one that I'm looking at here, which is the E-Class Mercedes, and just make sure when you're selecting your vehicle initially that you're going for the right model and everything. So we're going to go into floor mats, and right here, this is all that's offered currently for the 25 Mercedes E-Class lineup. So it's just the mats here. So we'll go to the mats, and when you get into the mats, you'll be able to see exactly what they look like. They're going to have the LASFIT branding, and this is the front row and the second row. And then the next picture here is going to show exactly which models it's compatible with. So it tells you here for the E200, the E350, the 2024 model for the 200, but the 24 and 25, the E350 will work, the E450, 24 and 25. And then also you have my car at the bottom, which is the 25 E53 AMG. You can see it's listed right here, and you just slide across, and there's a check mark for mine. So this is good. They fit my car, so I got them. So thanks to LASFIT for sponsoring the video. You can see what they look like and how they're going to keep your cars protected. And again, LASFIT is one that I've been using for quite some time. So just make sure you're buying the one that's compatible with your vehicle, and you'll be fine. So there you go. This is compatible with the 2025 E53 AMG. So you go over here, you hit add to cart, currently 7% off. There might be a discount code in the description. I don't know, check it out. But use the link and you can buy yours. And then let's go out to the garage and let's see what they actually look like in the car. All right, guys, we are here with the interior shot here. The mats are in. Very easy installation for car mats, floor mats for your car. Here's a LASFIT branding. If ever you get one of these cars and you get the Mercedes version of this car, it's going to have a Mercedes logo down here instead of LASFIT, but it doesn't have the stars in it from Mercedes. Check that out. That's actually really cool that they put the stars in there from the Mercedes. And this thing goes, these mats go all the way up. Look how far they go up. Yeah. We'll take a look at the back here. Take a look at the back. You can see it goes across the hump right there in the back, and then it's fully protected. So if you live in a climate where you're going to need some weather mats for your E-Class Mercedes or the AMG like mine, which is still E-Class, it fits these mats. I showed you in the first part of the video which car it fits. And so basically the 24s and 25s in the E-Class, this should work for you. And again, it has the stars all along here as well. Pretty nice, man. So there you have it, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Links in the description to grab yours. So beautiful. Check that out. See you in the next one. Take care.